Good morning, everybody. My name is Abhishek Mittal. Today's topic is representation of integer on number line. Here we will understand how to represent integers on number line. First of all, we have to understand what is number line. Number line is an imaginary line on which we can show the numbers or integers. Here we have to draw a line horizontally on which both ends should be represented by the arrows. The arrow shows that this line is up to length of infinite, means this line goes up to infinite. So any integer with any number, any integer number which is up to infinite, maybe up to infinite, can be represented or shown by this number line. Likewise, we can take, let us take a point O on this number line which represents 0. Means after this O, on the right hand side we can divide this number line by unit distance points. Each points have equal distance, so each points can represent each number. Likewise, first point will represent number 1, second point will represent number 2, like on that. So after that we can represent negative numbers also. For that we have to take left hand side of this point O. This side also divided in equal points by equidistance points. Each point represents each number with negative sign. First point represents -1, second point represents -2, and so on, -3, -4 up to infinite. Likewise, we can show fractions on the number line also. For example, we have to show fraction 1/2 on the number line. For that, we can draw again a number line. Let a point O is taken on the number line which shows that this is 0. After that, we have to take point 1. Point 1 is, suppose, let point A represents number 1. After that, if distance O and A, distance between O and A is divided by 2, then it will represent the number 1/2 on the number line. Suppose this is the point B, which is the midpoint of O and A. This point will represent number 1/2 on the number line. Likewise, we can also show the mixed fractions on the number line. For example, we have to show, suppose, these numbers on number line. For this, we have to draw the number line again, and on this number line we have to find a point O which represents 0 on the number line. After that, we have to find point 4. Because the number, sorry, this should be +4 and this should be -2. 2 raised to 1/3. This is 4, 3/5. Now, this number can be represented it is very clear that this number is between 4 and 5, because this is 4 and 3 upon 5 is equal to 4 plus 3 upon 5. It means that this number is between 4 and 5, and the divisions between 4 and 5 should be equal to at least 5, and we have to find out the third part of this division. For this, we have to divide this part 4 and 5 into 5 equal parts. Suppose these are 5 equal parts, and third part of these divisions 1, 2 and 3. Third part of these divisions, suppose this is point P. This is point P. This point P will represent the number 4, 3 upon 5. Likewise, in the minus side, suppose this is 1, minus 1, this is minus 2, and this is minus 3, and here in denominator is 8. So we have to divide this span into 8 equal parts. And third part of this division, suppose this is point Q, and this Q will represent the number 2, 3 upon 8 of minus 2, 3 upon 8. Okay, that's all for this point.